Is your data feeling more like a tangled mess than a clear path to insights? Let's transform that chaos into a beautiful and insightful funnel chart using Looker Studio, revealing exactly where your process is losing steam and guiding you toward impactful improvements. First, open Looker Studio and create a new report, connecting it to the data source that holds the information about your process, such as Google Analytics, Google Sheets, or a CRM platform. Next, click the Add a Chart button in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Funnel. This will add a basic funnel chart to your report. Now, in the Chart Settings panel on the right, drag and drop the dimension that represents the stages of your funnel, like lead, qualify, proposal, and closed, into the dimension field. Then, drag and drop the metric that counts the number of items or conversions at each stage, usually called count, into the metric field. Make sure to sort the funnel stages in the correct order, from the initial stage at the top to the final stage at the bottom, to ensure the chart accurately reflects the flow. Navigate to the Style tab to customize the look and feel of your funnel chart, adjusting colors, labels, and other visual elements to match your brand and improve readability. And there you have it, a clear and actionable funnel chart that pinpoints exactly where you're losing conversions. Now you can focus your efforts on optimizing most critical drop-off points and boosting your overall results.